What's up, YouTube? Danger Dave. Today I'm going to do some polish on this car. I'm getting all the little trash nibs. Going to wet sand them out with 2000 grit. So what you do for a show finish is you're going to go over the sod. You're going to look at it at a slight angle. And you're watching that distortion in the wet until that distortion goes away. As soon as it goes away, it's gone. Then you just take your microfiber, get the edgeless microfiber, and you wipe it until it's dry. Look at it at an angle. My camera stinks until it's gone. I've got a small divot here. I'm not sure if I can get it out or not. We'll fill that with a little drop of clear coat later and wet sand that out. But all this other trash I can sand out. But overall, the purpose of this video is to show you that you can use product and do it in your garage and get a $10,000 to $20,000 paint job using a cheap Harbor Freight or Amazon paint gun. These are they're like off-brand PPS cups by 3M, but they're not 3M. They're off Amazon. They're $30 for 100 of them. They're actually pretty good. They're following the PPS cup 1 design, but for $30 for 100, I mean, you can't beat it. One could argue that you need to buy a Iwata or a DeVelvis or a Sada in order to shoot high quality stuff. I agree that the Iwata would probably be my favorite because it shoots a super fine atomization and it uses a low PSI, and your material goes a lot further. But to get a nice paint job, you don't need it, to be honest. Anyways, thank you.